Boom. 5th generation BMW 535 XI from 2004 to 2010. If you notice in your driveway or wherever you park your car, oil at the bottom, and you open the hood and you see oil everywhere, maybe it's because the hose for the oil cooler, this guy, it's being compromised. So this hose right here is leaking, okay, and I'm gonna show you how to replace that. Alright, shouldn't be that bad. Before I jump into the action, shout outs to everybody that support the channel, all of them. Thank you for the support. I love you all. Pause, share, comment, anything you want to say about this car, how you like it, for how long you have it, anything you want to say about this car, put it in the comment box. All right, people, I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this. Come on. Yeah. All right, first we have this. I'm just gonna remove this whole plate. You see one here, one here, one here. You see it. You see it. Alright, I'm gonna use this. This is the T30. Okay. People said T30. Is that a Terminator? No, it's not a Terminator. Cool. What you talking about? This is a heads. Okay. Now remove it. So go with me. It's kind of funny to do it with one hand, guys. That's why I just take it, so I don't want to drop it. Do you count them? 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 bolts, screws, whatever you want to call it. So like this, maybe just put it here in the back. That's how it looks down there. Those are the latches. Boom. Alright. Here, we have an Allen. Right here. Right here is another Allen. You see it. I'm gonna be using this. Okay, you see it. It sits. Alright, this is short one. Low profile impact. Maybe the regular one is not that thick, but pause. So there, pop. Then this one, we're gonna do it a long one, I think. Pause. That's right there. Maybe extension. I'll tell you in a second, Cole. Let me do this one first. Oh, it worked out. This is what not this though. Using this tool right here. This is flexible. You can get it from anywhere, but I got it from Harbor Freight. Okay, and I'm gonna use a T40. Okay, for this guy right here. So just like that. Alright, that's how you do it. It's gonna be a little bit hard though. Just gonna break it loose and then you know, go since it's coming out now. Pause. There you go. The same length as the one over here, or at least, let's see. Yeah, they're the same length. Same length. I'm gonna replace this one too. And this one's connected here. I'm gonna give you light because a lot of you are saying that I'm not using enough light. I feel you, Cole. Okay, this is T30, by the way. Same as the one over here. Okay. I'm gonna remove this one now. The same way I removed that one. Okay. Just gonna pry it. It's like a old ring that hold it. I'm gonna pry it now. You're gonna get some oil. Alright. Do the same over here too. Just gonna lick too. Don't worry, we're gonna watch that later. Try this one too. Okay. That's pretty much. Now we're gonna remove this. Get rid of this. Alright. You know I gotta give it to you. See it right there? Old ring. This one doesn't have an old ring because the other one has the old ring. I tell you where. This one has an old ring. You see it right there, right? Alright. So there's an old ring. This one doesn't have an old ring because the old ring is in the up here. Okay. So you're gonna need old rings. This thing has old rings too. Just so you know, okay? Just so you know. Alright, later on I'm gonna show you I'm gonna give you parts. I think it's gonna go in there for that one. It's the other one. For there. Okay. This one's come with the old ring in there. Alright. This thing's just gonna go in there like that. Okay. It's like a groove or some. And then you just put it in there. Up. 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 That's it. Try to put some WD-40 or grease there too on the old rings. Okay, you put it in there, push it in, put the bolt, tight it, pretty much. You know, the whole procedure goes in reverse. Don't forget the old rings. Alright, that's the old ring, that's the old ring. Okay, you got this. Uh, Just tight it and snug it, alright? That should be it. I'll give you the part numbers for the oil filter and these hoses. Alright. Hope you're liking this video though, because I'm having fun. You know how I do. It's me, man. Don't you remember me? It's running right now. Make sure there's no leak. Something like that. The Gucci right there. And Gucci everywhere. So instead of wasting brake cleaner, I'm gonna pour some hot water. That's just gonna rinse where the oil. Whatever the oil touch. Pretty much, yeah. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe while I put sugar in your tank. You know where to find me. It's Axtuo, boom, clacking out. I'm out deep. You thought I forgot, huh? Alright, this is for the oil filter. Okay. This is for the oil rings. That's the part number. 17 22 224 5358. It's the same size for both sides, alright? This is for the hose. Oil cooler hose. Alright? That's the part number. Pretty much. Yep. Alright. I'm clacking out. Axtuo, boom. Yeah.